Welcome to the ASABE Annual International Meeting poster gallery. Today, I'm going to walk the audience through a very quick how to interact with the poster presenters. Once you're logged into the system, on the meeting platform, you will identify different tabs, one of which will be the poster gallery. We have over 300 posters in the 2021 Annual International Meeting, and we can find them all here and interact with the presenting authors individually and in groups. The first thing you'll see is different posters on your left-hand side. If you click View Details, it will take you to the actual posters. Sometimes it takes a little bit to load, depending on how the system is operating. But within this, I can expand my poster so I can view it in a larger size. And I can also play the audio that the authors have uploaded.
Hi, my name is Siobhan Patel, and I'm from Penn State University. But I'm here today to represent a multi-institutional team for our poster on farm energy extension materials we created and made publicly available.
I hope you take time to review the posters that are interesting to you. And if you find that you're looking to interact and ask more questions with those, we have a lot of different opportunities. On the right-hand side, you'll see a poster session schedule. Each technical community within ASABE is hosting specific poster sessions where you can meet and greet audience members and poster presenters at predetermined times. If you want to know and look at the entire session schedule, click on the button right there, and you will see all of the programs listed down here. Jessica Bell has done a good, has helped organize this into pointing you towards the correct page numbers to find programs with energy systems. The easiest way to find an individual poster is to copy the poster ID number and to search for them individually. In this case, I've already looked at and reviewed this poster and went on to interact with Pyongyang. So this is a chat group that is established based on this specific poster. So any audience member or poster presenter can type in messages down here and they will be saved in history. I can also start a one-on-one video conference call, which I will demonstrate shortly. I can see the members of this group and I can also leave this group. Before you're able to interact directly with poster presenters through the chat function, once you log in, you will need to launch your chat and set up your user profile. It'd be great if we could see your smiling faces, even if it is an outdated photo, but update your profile with your organization name, your title, and what you're interested in chatting about. On the right-hand side, you need to be able to seen by others in the program. So make sure you click Show in Attendee Directory and identify when you have new chat requests on your way. On the left-hand side, we will see all of the conversations and groups that you are a part of. There's also an attendee directory and group chat topics. Our poster sessions can be found in our group topics. By scrolling down, we can see all of the different poster session groups within the technical communities. I'm interested in joining the PAFS poster session Group A. So I have joined that as a moderator, and we'll see what that looks like. If I come over here, each moderator for the poster session will provide you with a welcome message, and it'll provide the times and dates where the presenting authors in this session will be available to chat live. We've also identified and placed a different way of looking at poster presentations. So what you'll see here in this download are the presentations within this program, the presenting authors, and their associated poster numbers. Each poster session will start with a presenter introduction, and the moderator will play a video to assist in communicating with those authors. So if we go back to this program, what you will see once the program has been started is a link or a click here to join that, where you will be in a Zoom-like call. I can also find individual members of this group and see us here. So I see Ryan, who is a presenting author in this group. I can click on Ryan and I can send a chat now button. So I can say, Ryan, are you available for a video call? And if Ryan is at his computer and not currently engaged with another conference attendee, I'll get a message back. I can see him typing. Oh, see, there he is. Yes, he is. Awesome. So I'm going to start a call. It'll take a minute for this to process through. I'm going to join the meeting. And what we can see is that the user interface is much like that of Zoom. I can mute and unmute. I can stop my cameras. I can even share my screen. Hi, Ryan, how are you?
Hi, Tim. I'm doing fine. How are you?
Great. So I was looking at the posters and had a few questions on yours. Are you in the office today or on vacation?
I am on vacation.
Whereabouts?
I'm in California.
Whoa. That's a long way from Iowa State.
It is. I'm just here visiting my parents for a month.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad you can participate in the annual international meeting even while you're on vacation. Are you able to share your poster for me?
Yes, I'm able to do that. Let me get that for you.
Awesome. And so this is how we can have some very in-depth talks on a personal level. We can have group conversations on topics like determining the measurements and of guilt selection. It's very interesting posters throughout the meeting. And I hope that this has been informative and helped you develop the skills needed to interact effectively. With that, Ryan, I'm going to say thank you for your time, and I really appreciate it. If you have any questions on how to interact with poster presenters during the meeting or any other conference attendees, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself, or in the help button of the meeting website itself, we can contact directly the meeting technical support. Thank you and enjoy the meeting.